Okay, today we are going to be making a simple Korean chijimi, similar to maybe okonomiyaki. All you need is 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 eggs. I've decided to add some ham. You can add clams or anything you want. Some nira, about three stalks or maybe 4, and some cold water, 4 tablespoons. I've added some ice and let it dissolve. Alright, so in a bowl, crack your 3 eggs, add your water, and your flour, and stir it together. Next, add in your nira, and stir. Finally, let's add in whatever topping you decide, maybe ham, maybe some clams. Anything's fine. And let's stir again. And finally, for the sauce, you need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm actually using apple vinegar here, but either one's fine. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some minced garlic, a little bit of sugar, and finally some red chili paste. I'm using shisen tobanjan, but you can go with anything you like, or you could not add it. And then simply combine these ingredients, or you can combine them and then heat them up so they mix a little better. Either way is fine. Put a pan under high heat and add some goma oil. Let the oil get hot. Okay, and then add your mixture. And reduce the heat to medium. Now you're going to want to let it cook. Make sure the bottom gets to brown, then flip it over and press down with your spatula until it's cooked through. Once you're done, take it out, cut it into easy to eat slices like a pizza, and you should be ready to go. Finally, here's the sliced up chijimi, laid out in pizza-like slices, and the sauce. Now it's time to eat. Alright, enjoy. If you have any recommendations to add to the recipe, or maybe some toppings to put on top, make sure to leave them in the comments. Alright, bon appetit.